Types of tape. Types of tape in English with pictures. Okay, let's start. Reflective tape. Autoclave tape. Aluminum tape. Double-sided tape. Box sealing tape. Duct tape. Elastic therapeutic tape. Electrical tape. Friction tape. Filament tape. Floor making tape. Capron. Hook and loop tape. Cafe tape. Hockey tape. Gorilla tape. Masking tape. Sellotape. Self-fussing silicone tape. Security tape. Scotch tape. Nano tape. Spike. Wound closure strips. Surgical tape. Thread seal tape.